Welcome to Footsteps and Tire Tracks. I got in my van the other day and I turned the ignition on and I got this message: replace key battery. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery. It's really easy, so stick with me and see how it's done. We're Mark and V and this is our adventures. This is the Crafter MK2 key fob. And on initial inspection, it seems really impossible to get to the battery. But believe me, it is really easy. So let's get on with it. To actually do this, we're going to need a battery to put in it. And it's a 2025 battery. I've ordered these off Amazon, but I'm sure you could get them down your local shop. You'll need your key, obviously. A flat-headed screwdriver. And a small electrical screwdriver, flathead. So it's quite simple. First of all, we take the flat-headed screwdriver and we place it in that recess there. That's where your key folds in. So if I was to put that there, fold the key in, so unfold the key and put the screwdriver in there and then just turn. Gently, and there it pops off. So you can see that literally just slides in there and clips back in when you want to fix it in. So that is how we take the cover off. So there we are. You can see it's a 2025 battery, a CR 2025. Put the new one there. Then to remove the battery, it's just quite simple. You'll see a little recess there. Hopefully you can see that. Let's come really in close to the camera. You can see a little recess there. And you put your electrical screwdriver in, your flat-bladed electrical screwdriver. And there he is. He pops out. And literally, just put him in and he'll click. And that's it. That's in. It's really that simple. Once you've done it once, you'll never need to see a video again. And just make sure it's all lined up properly. And there we are. Clip back into place. And that is the job done. We'll now go back to the van and check to make sure it all works. We're going to come back to the van. And the first thing obviously is to make sure it unlocks the van. Let's try that first. That's a good sign. It's unlocking the van. I hope if I press the right button first of all. So we're expecting to see a service check first of all. But let's switch ignition on. And there we go. There's the service check. And yes, it is cold outside at the moment. Hopefully we're not going to see replace key battery. And we don't. Well, I hope that was really helpful for you, and if it was, give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel, because there's going to be far more crafter stuff when we start building this crafter. As you can see at the moment, there's still not a lot going on behind me, but we'll see you in a video very soon. Look after yourselves. See you later. Bye.